Happy Sunday, everyone!
Happy Sunday!
Yeah. Si TTT nag-order sa CBK.
And what does CBK mean?
Col.Bob's Kitchen.
Correct.
Yes. Anong in-order natin?
Tingnan natin.
Diba?
Unboxing.
Unboxing. I-cut mo na. Yeah.
Okay, parang ano to parang ribbon cutting. Tada!
Maraming pinadala, pero actually isa lang ang in-order ni TTT, the Transcendental Tourist. Ang duda ko is, this is what you ordered.
Ito na siguro ang main order.
Yung ba yung tinatawag nilang tub?
Ito yung tub.
Cut mo na lang ulit. Kung tingin. Diba?
Tada! Sauce.
Sauce? Ba't may sauce? Para saan?
This is the actual order. 1 tub or half kilo ham.
Okay. This is worth?
This is worth $3.50
$3.50
for half a kilo.
Plus
1 tub.
Plus sagot ng nag-order yung Lalamove.
Of course.
Yes. But si Col.Bob's Kitchen also sent more. Diba?
So 1 tub and then some.
Yeah.
Wait, there's more.
Alright. Change lang natin para maganda.
Parang mas malaki pa yung weight there.
So so I think offerings din yan ni CBK.
Of course.
Okay, anong tawag? Ako baka mahulog yung what is that?
This is, this is a salad dressing. She did not indicate what it is, but it's a salad dressing. And this is the tossed salad. Tossed salad.
Tossed salad. Mga dahon-dahon.
Yeah,
diba?
with some apples.
So, hindi lang ham ang pwedeng orderin sa CBK.
And then, bonus number 2. Tada! This is chop suey.
Chop suey. Wow!
Bango.
Diba?
Naamoy ko na.
Ang bango-bango.
Ang bango-bango. Okay.
Grabe naman si Col.Bob's
number
Kitchen.
3. Ano to? Menudo ba to?
I think.
Menudo.
Kung hindi menudo yung isang parang ganyan. Hindi tayo marunong sa food. Ako, Diyos ko, lahat yata ng kanyang
Bonus number 4, right?
Yes.
Tada! I think ito may oyster sauce ba to?
Parang.
I think parang this is binagoongan.
Wow! Yes,
so.
yes. I can see Or is it? Tignan nga natin. Yes, I see bagoong. I see some meat and talong.
Yes. Ito yung oyster sauce. Kasi may
vegetable
with
spinach ba yan?
Spinach.
Or ano yung isang
and oyster sauce. And mushroom ba?
Wow! Para naman tayong
Hindi na tayo bibili ng food for 1 week.
Para naman tayong nag-order ng Laureate from CBK.
Wow!
Col.Bob's Kitchen.
What's this?
Chicken.
Okay.
Okay.
Chicken. And our favorite, palaya. But we're not bitter, ha?
Oo. Totoo ba? Favorite mo yan?
Hindi ba?
Ewan ko. Wow.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 bonuses, extras. 7 waiters more. And then this is the main event. The ham.
The ham. Okay.
I'm really takam na to.
Pero pag nag-order kayo ng ham, hindi kasama yan, ha?
Kami lang kasi.
Kami lang. Especially for us.
Especially for us.
So, kailangan nating, anong gagawin natin?
Anong gusto mong kainin muna?
Di itong mag-salad muna tayo. Okay. Tapos yung iba, diba? Nagkaroon tayo ng pandemic ayuda. Yeah. Kita ba tayo? Hindi. Where is the...
I'll take a photo first.
Ang hirap gumawa ng... Wow, yes. So, alisin natin yung sauce ng ham sa loob ng plastic. Grabe naman siya magluto, ang dami. Sa bagay, busy naman siguro yung kanyang
The
kitchen.
whole morning siya nagluto.
Product photography. Grabe. CBK, Col.Bob Kitchen.
Col.Bob's.
Col.Bob's. Diba? Ano yung nakalagay dito? Meron silang sticker. Ang cute. Hindi ko makita.
Thank you.
Diba?
Picture natin yan. Thank you.
Baka hindi na sila Col.Bob's ang tawag. Parang iba yung yung pangalan. Or generic yung thank you na yan. You buy it somewhere.
Wait. We need lente.
Lupa.
Handmade with love. Especially for you. Oh, tama na tayo. Especially for us. Thank you. Yeah, it doesn't say CBK.
Doesn't say CBK. Okay, Diyos ko, yan na naman. May tunog na naman. Ano yan? Ambulansya, no? Hindi, hindi fire truck. Ibang timbre.
Fire truck?
Fire, ano ba dapat?
You're on the right track.
Fire truck. Fire truck.
Mag-selfie tayo.
Okay. Selfie. Paano?
Tsaka.
Yan ako upo. Yan. Sige. Habang nagsiselfie tayo, picture, yeah. Kita ba ako?
Lumanong tayo. Lower. Can you be lower?
Yeah. Lower, hindi na tayo kita sa vlog.
Yeah, I really don't want to show this. Siguro ito na lang. Yung dalawang cup.
Kung sino man nagbigay sa iyo niyan.
This one, came from Judy.
Judy Grace?
Yes. Yan yung Otwall.
What's an awful?
On the Wings of Love.
Anong ibig sabihin na?
Yung kay, Nadine and, who's the guy?
Oh, pero bakit may, Tumblr?
Because Carmela works for ABS, diba? So, promotion.
Okay. Pero achieve ang nakalagay.
Because that's their, that's their tag.
Hashtag OTWOL, on the wings of love. Okay. Gets ko na. So, pakita natin. Alam mo, matagal na natin ginagamit to pero hindi ko na... Ano yan? May nakalagay na achieve. Bakit may nakalagay? Natatandaan mo ba yung dialogue na yan?
Yung sinasabi nila lagi, di ba? Achieve! Gumaganon si Nadine.
Okay.
And James Reid.
Alright. Okay. Achieve. Otwall. Sa ilalim nakalagay, Otwall. Hashtag Otwell. On the wings of love. Thank you, Judy Greer. Ito, binili mo na yan. Okay.
It's from a student from Tokyo, Starbucks, Tokyo.
Sino student?
Japanese.
Sa cell.
Yes.
Okay, hindi mo binili sa Japan.
No, I don't buy anything from Starbucks.
Alright. Okay. So in the future, hindi tayo susponsoran ni Starbucks kasi dineclare mo na we don't buy things in Starbucks. Diba? Kung sumikat tayo, hindi na tayo susponsoran ni Starbucks. Diba?
Ay, sometimes naman. Ay, syempre, bibili man ako ng coffee doon paminsan-minsan.
Alright, so we'll try this.
Unahin natin yung ham, yung in-order talaga. Tapos siguro itong salad. Kasi maano na to eh.
Sige. Kukuha ako ng... Saan mo gusto ilagay? Doon sa bowl na lang? Para madaling kainin yung salad?
Bowl.
Bowl, oo. Wag na sa totoong plato. Ganito na lang. Diba? Tapos, you would need fork.
Pero ayusin muna natin itong mga iba. I think we have to put these nasa ano. I'll put these muna sa... I-wrap na natin ba?
Ikaw?
Oo, kasi...
Asan ba yung ibang tinidor? Yun. Actually, in order yan for lunch. Kaso lang na-delay ng konti. Dahil pin-repair pa yung mga yan. So, for dinner. Pero early dinner lumalabas. Hindi, kakain tayo ulit. Ano lang, lalantakan lang natin. O, diba? Ang ating merienda salad. Tossed salad. Tossed salad in a Japanese, ramen bowl.
So, as is lang ito ilalagay sa fridge?
Oo. Anong balak mo?
Hindi ko alam kung ano eh. Like, do we have to open it? Or, I don't know.
Siyempre, lagay mo lang. Grabe. Grabe na to. Todo.
Of course.
What do you need?
My Coke.
Oh, your Coke. Kailangan guntingin. I-move natin ng konti. Ito. Kasi para 1, 2, 3. Move na. Hindi ko alam kung paano. Mahirap pala tayong tripod. Yan. Where is the pair of scissors? Ba't wala yung scissors?
Hindi to.
So, waka-loka. Walang soundbite. May apple, merong, may meat ba to?
Oo.
O chicharon yan?
Well, that's meat. Meat bits. Tomato, and of course, cucumber, julienned carrots.
Alright. Okay. At, mabango yung mabango yung dressing niya. Layo natin ng konti. Hirap pag walang wow. Oh, ayan. Kuha ko ng bread. Bagay na may bread yung ham. Bako, ikaw hindi ka nag-video. May video ka din?
Wala. I'll just get some video.
Ah, okay.
You just cut the
Cut,
part.
cut, cut, cut.
Yung
Hindi, ikaw
part
na
that
mag-cut,
we-
cut.
Yung the part that we unbox. Yun ang lang.
We'll end the vlog here. Hindi namin papakita sa inyo kung paano namin lantakan itong pinadala ng
CDK.
CBK, Col.Bob's Kitchen. Actually, personally, ang alam ko lang na product nila ay yung mga longganisa. So if you want the longganisas from all around the Philippines, they sell those frozen. If you live in a condo and you don't have kitchen, you don't cook, baka pwedeng i-request na yung isang dosenang frozen baka pwedeng lang lutuin. I don't know the setup for the additional cooking fee siguro. Yun, and the ham. So, and itong mga salad na to. Anyway, we'll end the vlog. Ano sinasabi mo usually at the end?
Smash the subscribe button and slap us some likes and the notification bell.
Okay. Hasta luego!